Hello everyone, welcome to English class. This is my house. Are you in your houses? Yes? Good. Today we talk about animal friends. And this is my animal friend Ajax. And this one is my animal friend Siggy. But look who is here. This is my animal friend, Polly the parrot. Say hello, Polly. Hello. Look, more animal friends. What do you see in that picture? Let's think about. Yes, you are right. It's a monkey. Very good. What else do you see? Good. It's a lion. Very good. And what else do you see? Good. Two tigers. Baby tigers. Very good. Now, let's learn more about other animals. Let's see. Look at that. Let's learn more about other animals. All right? So, take a look at number one. Number one. An animal. Oh, it's a turtle. Repeat after me. It's a turtle. A turtle. Very good. Let's continue with number two. That's another animal. I know. It's a dog. A dog. A dog. Very good. Let's continue with number three. Another animal. I know. It's a horse. A horse. A horse. Let's continue with number four. Another animal. I know. It's a chicken. A chicken. A chicken. Very good. Number five. Number five. An animal. I know that. It's a goat. A goat. A goat. Very good. Now, let's talk about number six. What animal is that? I know. It's a cow. A cow. It's a cow. Very good. Now, number seven. Another animal. Quack, quack. What animal is that? I know. It's a duck. A duck. A dog. Very good. Number eight. It's number eight. I know that one. It's a sheep. A sheep. A sheep. Very good. Let's continue with number nine. What is number nine? Meow meow. I know. It's a cat. A cat. A cat. And the last one, number 10. What is that? Beep. I know. It's a frog. A frog. A frog. Very good. Look! It's our friend Freddy the Frog and our friend Eddie the Elephant. But look, Freddy the Frog has a question. What is it? What is it? Eddie has the answer. It's a turtle. A turtle. Repeat after me. What is it? What is it? It's a turtle. A turtle. Now, let's practice a little bit more the question, all right? So, what is it? What is it? Very good. It's a dog. It's a dog. Excellent. Now, what is it? What is it? Very good. It's a horse. Very good. Excellent. Good job. Very, very good job. It's a dog. And what is it? It's a horse. Very good. What is it? Very good. Good students. It's a sheep. Very, very good. Excellent. Now, animals can do a lot of things. Los animales pueden hacer muchas cosas. Among them, entre ellas tenemos, we have see, we have climb, like the cat, fly, like birds, swim, and crawl. All right? So let's repeat. Repeat after me. See, climb, fly, swim, and crawl. Now, Freddy is saying something. Freddy nos está diciendo algo. ¿Qué es lo que dice Freddy? Dice, the birds can fly. The birds can fly. Pero Eddie tiene otra pregunta. Eddie has another question. What can a cat do? ¿Qué puede hacer un gato? What can a cat do? Y Freddy le responde, and Freddy answers, a cat can climb. Very good. Excellent. So, take a look at the images. Take a look at the images and write sentences. Vean las fotos, las imágenes, vean las palabritas que están arriba y tratemos de completar. ¿Qué es lo que pueden hacer todos los animales y personas que están ahí? Por ejemplo, the boys can fish. Los niños pueden pescar. Ahora, ¿qué puede hacer el resto? The horses, the girls, the sheep, and the cats. Tomen su momentito, paren la grabación, ¿sí? Y escríbanlo en sus cuadernos, ¿sí? Perfecto. Now, it's time for you to tell me. Ahora es el momento en que ustedes me digan, what can you do? What can you do? ¿Qué pueden hacer? Can you jump? Yes, I can. Or, no, I can't. ¿Sí? Para seguir repasando estas actividades, ¿sí? Van a ir, ¿no es cierto?, a las guías que yo les entregué o que les voy a enviar y respondan las preguntas que están escritas, ¿sí? Esto es la presentación para lo que veremos más adelante. No se preocupen, ¿sí? Entonces, un gusto haberlos visto, cuídense mucho y nos vemos la próxima semana. Bye bye.